You're back with Jack the Greek, and guess what? It's day 5 of a CrossRay challenge. Again, what is our challenge? We need to cook a meal within 10 minutes on the CrossRay barbecue. For tonight, we have some beautiful pork chops, straight from George's Meats at Preston Market, and we have some beautiful pork belly. Opas, look at that. And on the side, as we plate it up, we have some beautiful mixed lettuce salad. We've got all 4 burners on high, and we're going to leave them there for around 5 minutes with the hood down. But let's put our meat in first. And again, the clock is ticking. We have 10 minutes to cook this meal. Come in close and have a listen to this. Beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful pork chops. Beautiful. And we have that pork belly just next to it like that. Opa. Beautiful. Oh, there we go. Excellent. This shouldn't take us longer than about 3-4 minutes either side while the burners are on high. We will close the lid down to help our cooking process. So we're back now, and as you can see, we've turned over our pork already once. I do like with my pork to salt and pepper it as it's cooking. Here we go, a bit of salt. Like that. Pepper. Just like that as it's cooking. I find it works a lot better with pork than it does with lamb or beef. My lamb and beef I usually like to pre-marinate it before I put it on the CrossRay barbecue. A little bit of oregano, just like that. Opa, look at that. Ah, smells beautiful. So, while we're here, let's turn them over for one last time. Look at that. Look at that beautiful colour. The CrossRay barbecue. Beautiful pork. Beautiful. As you can see, it's nearly ready now. So we start plating up our salad. Our beautiful wife has made this salad just here, which we'll take inside shortly and marinate. But right now, we're going to put a little bit of the salad on the side of the dish, just like that. Opa. And of course, Jack the Greek will be eating this one. And as I said, less than 10 minutes. Once again on the CrossRay barbecue, you'll find these steaks are beautifully cooked for the family. Just like that. And any weeknight, whether it's before or after sports, the CrossRay barbecue and Jack the Greek's recipes will cook you up a beautiful meal every single time, just like that, in less than 10 minutes. Opa.